Pristine move-in ready beauty awaits you. A true pride of ownership. This inviting single-story floor plan has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, central air, tile throughout with new carpet in the bedrooms, installed 2 months ago, granite bathroom countertops, faux wood blinds in the living area and Roman blinds in the bedrooms. Spend your holidays cooking in this recently upgraded kitchen. You'll love the granite countertops, beautiful mosaic tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Hurry and enjoy the holidays cozied up to the cultured stone fireplace, a must-see. You will not be disappointed. Conveniently located off of Upper Valley near West Towne Marketplace.